We had a fantastic time here at the K-Show in Düsseldorf. We had a lot of talks with our new and existing customers. We introduced our new Near AI, which really helps the customers to improve their bottle sorting for multi-layer bottles. And we also had some devices here like our Flake Purifier Plus, who really helps to ensure the customers to produce perfect quality for their customers.
Very good talks, very good contacts, many customers visiting us, and we could introduce our new machine, the Resort, talk about also the good rapid process, and introduce also Flake Scan for product inspection.
K-Show is getting to the end now, and we were quite happy to welcome so many international visitors on our booth.
It was a very successful show for us. Thank you very much, and see you on the next show in 3 years. Bye-bye.